Hello everyone, I am Patil Yogesh Ashok Rao. So this series is dedicated only for anthropology. My score in CSC 2018 of anthropology was 325 marks. Paper 1 164 marks and paper 2 161 marks. Okay, so you know the importance of getting 300 marks in anthropology, because if you want to get your dream post, let's say if there is some person who is in IRS or let's say in IPS, but that person who want to achieve IAS, okay, so get into the IAS or to get your dream cadre, you need 300 plus marks in anthropology. And because of this lockdown, it is not possible for everyone to join any coaching. So this is a little initiative from my side where I'll be talking about anthropology. I'll be teaching few topics. सारे topics तो पढ़ाने नहीं होंगे, but some critical topics I'll try to teach those topics. Also, I'll be sharing my insights with you, the efforts which I took for the preparation of the anthropology. Okay, so these things we'll see in this anthropology optional. So friends, we'll continue with this background. So this video is anthropology decoding. Decode anthropology. So why you have taken the anthropology as optional? Okay, there can be many reasons, and this will be your question in your interview. Okay, many times board members ask, as many of us from engineering background, I am from mechanical background, mechanical engineering. So why did I choose anthropology as optional? There can be many reasons. Okay, one can be your interest. That's I found this anthropology optional very interesting. Second can be marks. Subject matter is simple and you can score many marks. So this is again a video for all those students who want to pursue anthropology as their optional. Okay, so this is decode anthropology. So what all is there in the anthropology optional and why should you take the anthropology optional? This video talks about that. Okay, so starting with anthropology, we got in optional, every optional we got two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. In anthropology paper 1, there is division is one is socio-cultural anthropology, another is physical anthropology. In socio-cultural anthropology, we talk about socio-cultural institutions, anthropological theories, and those part which is there to understand the social society and culture. The topics like marriage, family, kinship, then political organization, economic organization, then religion is there. Religion is one important topic, and then anthropological theories. Okay, these are the topics we have in socio-cultural anthropology. Okay, so from syllabus perspective, 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, then 2.1 to 2.5, then topic number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the topics form the portion of the socio-cultural anthropology. Okay, so initially we will talk about paper also. And physical anthropology, in physical anthropology we have the biology portion. Many people think that you need to have a good command over biology. Okay, see, there is nothing like that. This physical anthropology, everything is just, what can we say, this is more like application part. Okay, this is more like application part. There is genetics is there, Mendelian laws are there, then there is physical anthropology में बाकी menstruation and menarche and that part is there, then growth and development, that topic is there. These are very simple portion is there for the physical anthropology. So and evolution, सबसे important है evolution. Evolution में primate study is there for the people. Many people find it very difficult, but this is very easy portion. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. So there is 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. Then उसके बाद 9th topic, 10th topic, 11th and 12th. These form the portion of the paper with physical anthropology. Okay, so this is about physical anthropology. So moving forward to paper 2. In paper 2 also we have two divisions. One is our Indian anthropology and second is our tribal anthropology. So Indian anthropology के portion में क्या है? So Indian anthropology portion contains, it is study about caste system and many इंडियन जो बाकी सारे कंपोनेंट्स है, जैसे कि नेचर में स्पिरिट कॉम्प्लेक्स है, सेकंड कॉम्प्लेक्स है, इट इज गिवन बाय एलपी विद्यार्थी, देन देयर इज डेमोग्राफिक स्टडी ऑफ इंडिया, देन पुरुषार्थ एंड ऑल दोस जो हिंदू बेसिक टेनेट्स है ऑफ हिंदू रिलीजन, दोज आर द थिंग्स वी हैव इन इंडियन एंथ्रोपोलॉजी. आल्सो Indian village system, okay, that is one important topic in the Indian anthropology. In tribal anthropology, we study about the tribal problems and initiatives for their development. Okay, so for Indian anthropology, topic number is 2, 3, 4 and 5. Tribal anthropology 6, 7, 8, 9 of paper 2. 6, 7, 8, 9 of paper 2. Okay, so this is the rough division, and we have one is our archaeology portion. Archaeology portion is there 1.8 in paper 1 and 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 in paper 2. This forms the archaeology portion. So this is the rough division of our syllabus. Okay, so this is the rough division of our syllabus. I have shared the strategy for each type of सोशियोकल्चरल का भी स्ट्रेटजी मैंने शेयर किया है, फिजिकल का शेयर किया है, इंडियन एंथ्रोपोलॉजी का शेयर किया है. ओके, सो फॉर एवरी thing I have shared the strategy. So why you should take the anthropology as your optional? Anthropology is many people say that we can cover anthropology in 2 months, 3 months. See, it is not possible to cover it in 2 months. Okay, you can read only one particular book. Okay, but it is not at all possible to cover the syllabus in 2 months. You need some 3.5 months, 4 months of the study for the preparation of the anthropology in a holistic way. See, you can read the syllabus, okay, you can read the entire content, but that is not enough to get 300 marks. So if you want to get 300 marks, so you need to study more. Okay, so this is the thing about anthropology. But why should you take the anthropology or optional? Subject matter is very simple. Subject matter is simple, you can cover the portion very easily. Second, it is objective. The physical portion, there is a lot of objectivity in it. And if you solve the question, let's say अगर ये question पूछा जाए, so what are the Mendelian laws? Is there any subjectivity in it? You have to write. Well, if they are asking Mendelian law, then you have to write Mendelian law. Okay, that is one thing. Third is anthropology can be revised in short period of time. And the answers of anthropology you can write in very holistic way. You will see the answer writing practice also. So if you write the answers very well, then definitely it will be helpful to you. Okay, so that is also. Then 4 is consistently anthropology scoring very good marks. For the last 5-6 years, anthropology is scoring very good marks. So you should watch all the videos which I will be sharing regarding anthropology. We will cover most of the portion we will be covering is human evolution. We will be covering human evolution, then anthropological theories, also very critical topics which are there, and those topics which are not explained by any teacher. Okay, we will be sharing those, we will be studying those videos. Okay, so this video is anthropology decoding, so we have decoded the syllabus here. Okay, so this is all about the syllabus. For the sources, we need to have some detailed sources, and I have shared the detailed sources on my Telegram group. Okay, you can refer to that also. I have shared those sources on Facebook group. Okay, so those new students who want to pursue anthropology as their optional, yes, you can do anthropology, you can pursue anthropology optional. There is no harm in it. Those people who are thinking that anthropology is going down, don't think that way. Okay, in any optional you can score 300 plus, but in anthropology it is very easy to score 300 plus. And if you are thinking that there is biology portion in it, no, you should not be worried about that. Okay, so उसमें biology portion है या नहीं है, okay, ये सारी चीजों पे आपको ध्यान देना नहीं है. So focus on what is there in the syllabus, read the syllabus, see the past year questions. Whenever you are deciding any optional, see the past year questions. Okay, if you are comfortable with the past year question and syllabus, then definitely go for the syllabus. Now about coaching of anthropology. I am not sharing any name of coaching institute here, but anthropology is the syllabus for understanding of it. if you have time, then there is no need to join any coaching. But if you have time and if you are appearing for 2021, then you can definitely join any coaching. There is no harm in it. But make sure that whichever coaching you are joining, please take the feedback from all your seniors. Okay, and then there is coaching, then material. I would suggest that don't rely on one single particular book. Okay, I have shared many sources. Please refer to those sources. Then third is test series. Regarding test series, I would suggest please join test series. You can join any test series, but make sure that your paper gets evaluated. Okay, so please join the test series. Test series is must. So with the test series, you can practice the answer writing. Okay, so this is all about anthropology we have seen. In the coming videos, we will see about particular topics. Thank you.